Okay, so we are at the Montecasino Bird Park today. I'm riding solo. I think it's good to get out and do things for yourself, you know? So today's one of those days. So let's get it! Let's go! Okay, so today we're going to do like a National Geographic type of show, type of experience of a show, because we're at the Bird Park in Montecasino, Fourways, Johannesburg, and I'm in the amphitheater where in about 40 minutes they're going to have a show with pelicans and the most beautiful birds in South Africa. So I think what we should do is we should change up the style of today's show and we should do a proper travel experience, right? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's get it! Over there. So the guy behind me, he works here, and he said that the parrots and all of that, they get fed macadamia nuts and walnuts. Who knew? Specialized rooms that are temperature controlled, so I'm now in the venomous snake room, which is slightly hotter than the frog room was. Who knew? Snakes like a hotter environment. Behind me I've got the green anaconda, and oh man, it says here, did you know that green anacondas are the world's largest snake species? They can grow to the length of around 8 meters. And they can weigh over 100 kilos. 100 kilos? I don't even weigh 100 kilos. You know when you get that feeling, like there could be snakes on the plane? something new. I've run out of battery on my normal camera. What? Seriously? So we've switched to iPhone. I mean, we've tried GoPro, now we're trying iPhone. Yeah! Okay, the show's about to start. So, I can't even begin to pretend like I know enough about the environment or how to conserve it and, you know, conservation. But I guess small things like this, like a bird park or a sanctuary or, you know, a wild park, it's kind of renews my faith in humans, that we're not so horrible. And I don't know, there's something really beautiful about it to see. I mean, I know they're not there in their natural habitat, but there's just something beautiful to see how much love we have for each other, how much love we have for the environment, and let's go feed some ducks, yeah?
Here, what? This is gonna be the one?
Are you sure? You know you're afraid of flying.
No, mate. No, I got it. Oh, I got it. This is gonna be the one. Yep. Yep. Oh, no, 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 I don't have it. I'm afraid of flying. No.
What an idiot.
I'm alright. I'm okay.
Just because you identify as an eagle doesn't mean you are one. Pigeon brain.
Might have hurt my foot, mate.
My battery died. Should have planned better. Yeah, it sucks. Wow. These pelicans behind me are making a lot of noise. Can you guys see that? How cool. What a great place. I mean, what? Thank you, Montecasino, for doing something like this. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to do this. Hakuna Matata.
What's that?
What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Life is beautiful. Don't you think?
So, I spent the day at the bird park and I was just overwhelmed by what I saw and what I got to experience. Nature is amazing and it's something that we need to take care of. So, we need to support initiatives like this. We need to love our environment. That's all we have, really. So take care of everyone and everything around you, because life is beautiful. It really is. So I'm grateful for this experience.
Love nature and conserve it.